replacing the headband base. The two headband bases connect the headband to the two speakers on either side. Before we get started, let's make sure we have everything we need. Find a nice, flat, clean surface to work on. Also, keep some empty containers handy to store loose screws. You don't want to lose any of them. You're also going to need a credit card or a PIC or similar for leverage. And of course, the most important and only real tool you'll need, a Phillips Zero screwdriver. Keep your replacement part at hand for easy access. I also recommend keeping a cleaning cloth or maybe a few wet wipes around. Quick note, the following steps are the same for either side. First, make sure the Fairbuds XL are turned off. Now, pop off the speaker cover using a credit card or PIC or similar, and unscrew the two screws that connect the speaker to the base. Make sure to keep the screws safe. With these two screws out, you should be able to pull the speaker away from the headband base. Wiggle the headband base to loosen it a little bit, and gently pull away. You should now be able to easily unplug the speaker-to-speaker cable connected to the loose speaker as well. Now, to separate the base from the headband itself, slowly slide up the headband cover, and there will be a silver lever that locks the headband base in place. This lever can come loose when the headband base is not attached, but no worries. If it becomes loose, you can simply push it back in. Gently lift this lever, and you should be able to remove the headband base completely from the headband. You might have to give it a little wiggle to get it out. Alright, so now it's time to attach the new headband base back to the headband. Slide the headband base into the headband, making sure it's secure. And lower the silver lever again. Then, reconnect the speaker-to-speaker cable. Now, simply line up the holes on the headband base with the holes on the speaker unit and screw them together using the two screws you removed earlier. Be sure to tighten the screws securely, but please be careful not to over-tighten them. With the new headband base in place, it's time to finish reassembling the device. Pop the speaker cover back on from the top by pressing it down until it snaps back into place. And that's it! You're good to go. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, check out the links in the description below. You can also check out our online repair tool to help diagnose any issues you might be facing. And that's it! I hope you really enjoy your Fairbuds XL.